And apart from
Correct.
her, my great friend Gurpreet, she has always supported me and like always made sure क्योंकि मुझे बचपन से ही जैसे जानते हैं तो उनको पता है जब भी मुझे कभी बुरा लगता था कुछ भी I feel uncomfortable, I feel low, I used to call her and just ask her that how should I take these things. So she has been my meditation support, I would say. तो I think इन दोनों की वजह से मेरे को बहुत ही empowerment हुई है इन दोनों women की वजह से.
Right. No, that's great, and that's another thing which I was pulling out when I was doing my research, कि आपने इतना कुछ किया है before you have even achieved this title, including things like, I believe you take inspiration from your mother, who
Right.
is also a gynecologist, and you've worked quite literally in the trenches for women and their sanitation and hygiene. उसके अलावा आप gender equality और inclusivity के बारे में भी बात करते हो, and you have, for your finale, worn a gown that has been designed by a trans woman, Saisha Shinde. That's just such great representation of that community. And then, of course, you're working for people with clefts, with Smile Train India.
Right.
You've done so much. इतना आपने कुछ किया है already. But इसके आगे आप और क्या करोगे? एक एक छोटा झलक दे दीजिए हमें.
I think it's never enough being a responsible citizen. We should also know the duties, right? We always focus on rights, that this is my right, this is what I deserve, this is what I should claim. But along with that, we should focus on the duties of being a responsible citizen. तो
Right.
हमेशा से मेरे मॉम से मुझे आया है, मुझे मेरी कम्युनिटी से आया है कि बस सारा दा भला करते रहो, सबका अच्छा करते रहो. आपको जो मौका मिला है, अगर आप किसी की ज़िंदगी बदल सकते हो तो क्यों नहीं. And I truly believe in this, that your one quote can change someone's day, and that one day can change their whole life. So keep inspiring.
Right.
That one smile is enough. That one word is
Right.
enough. And
Right.
it just takes 1 minute or 1 second, I would say, to change someone's mind. तो यही मेरे को अच्छा लगता है हमेशा क्योंकि I think it would be very difficult for me to explain in words how happy and grateful I feel by doing such
Right.
things. तो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू यही चीज़ें मैं आगे करती रहूँ वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन के बारे में and something regarding telling the women all around the world the right to education, right to work and to choose their partners because वो ही अपनी
Right.
ज़िंदगी को चूज कर सकती है when they are right. Inspire Train organization is very close to my heart and it's a beautiful organization who has been selflessly working regarding cleft surgeries and
Right.
apart from that, I think climate change is something which just comes naturally. It's not an advocacy. It's
Yes.
not something that you need to think before talking about that. It's
Yes. Yes.
routine, right? हम
Yeah.
सबको पता होना चाहिए कि हम कितनी changes ला सकते हैं हमारे छोटे छोटे डिटेल्स से हमारे छोटे छोटे choices से एंड वो अभी से
Correct.
हमें बात करना चाहिए अभी से हमें वो चीज़ें चेंज करनी चाहिए अपनी ओन सर्वाइवल के लिए वी नीड टू चेंज दैट एंड वी नीड टू चेंज
Yeah.
इट फ्रॉम राइट नाउ देयर इज नो टाइम टू थिंक सो
Arnaz, मैं आपके आने से पहले मैं थोड़ी देर पहले I was talking to our audience and I was telling them that it's doubly special that you have won this pageant and you have represented our country so beautifully on this universal platform. Because it is a title that has come after 21 years, the last one being Lara Datta and the first being Sushmita Sen, and then you come as a breath of fresh air with your poise and beauty. But apart from that, you are someone who also very clearly understands the youth, understands the problems they face, understands the struggles, trials, tribulations, everything that they go through. तो आपके इस journey में यहाँ तक up to the point where you have been crowned Miss Universe 2021, what are the things that you faced? And I'm gonna tie in another little question over here in the same thing. Yeah, you also were the winner of Liva Miss Diva, and did that experience help you insofar as prepping yourself to come to this particular place where you are right now?
absolutely it did. I mean, it was just a 30 days preparation and training mode for me. But I was getting trained by the best mentors in my
Yeah,
country, getting to wear
yeah,
best designers, clothes, and everything. My communication mentor, Supreet Bedi, she has been working so hard, making sure that
yeah,
I portray my best opinions. I explore a lot of things about myself, that this is what I think, these are my opinions about such things. And I think that just boosted my confidence towards believing in myself and being centered towards my the situations that's coming along in my way, and along with that,
was there ever a time where you kind of felt कि ये मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा? कभी आपके मन में ये सवाल आया? कभी आपको ये मतलब did you have ever had this feeling?
I think being a human, it's a very obvious feeling, and it's okay and it's normal to have a feeling like, oh, I can't do that, or what if,
Yeah,
have those
yeah,
what if questions with you. तो मेरे साथ बहुत बारी होता है, अभी तक कभी कभी होता है, और हमेशा चलता रहेगा हम सबके साथ कि ये नहीं मेरे से हो सकता है. But वो ही, that's a challenge for you to play with your mind. When you know how
yeah,
to handle the emotions inside you, then you become a successful person in your life. That is all what life is about. एंड जब भी ऐसा होता था, मैं ये
correct.
सोचती थी कि ये मुश्किल जरूर है, मैं ये कर नहीं पाऊंगी, पर ये नामुमकिन भी नहीं है. So look at the other face of that coin, rather than just
Yeah,
looking at I can't do it. Just turn the
yeah.
coin and say that I can do it. What if I do? What if this happens?
Why not? Yeah, yeah,
It's so important to be positive in today's world when COVID and the whole pandemic is
yes,
happening, and
yes.
we are going through a lot of pain and pressure. It's so important to stay positive. And वो तभी आता है जब एक दूसरे को हम वो it's give and take. It's that simple.
Correct. I mean, Harnaz, you have been such an inspiration, and you're continuing to be inspiring to so many young people in the country, so many people who have dreams, aspirations. आपकी थोड़ी देर आने से पहले काफी लड़कियों ने हमें ये सवाल पूछा था कि हम भी कैसे ये इस मुकाम तक पहुंच सकते हैं? How do we achieve what Harnaz has done? So maybe a little bit of a piece of, maybe a piece of advice for them as to how they can achieve their dreams.
Honestly, my only advice to everyone out there would be that do not say that I want to become like Harnas. Don't say that
Oh,
I
that's good.
don't want to copy Harnas. Rather say that if she can do it, I can also do it. She believed in herself, I can also believe in myself, and I can also achieve the goal. I know the purpose of my life, I have pure intentions towards that, and nobody can stop me in this whole world to conquer my dreams, especially my
Right.
goals, I would say. तो मेरा यही एडवाइस है सबको कि आप अपने आप पर यकीन रखो, और आपकी यही यूएसपी है कि आप सबसे अलग हो, एंड जो आपकी खासियत है वो ये है कि आप जैसे सोचते हो वो वैसे आप दुनिया बदल सकते हो. सबसे पहले अपने आप से शुरू करो, एंड फिर दुनिया आपका साथ जरूर दे.
That's, the दिल खुश हो गया आपका आपका ये जवाब सुनकर. I love the fact that you're so you understand the importance of individuality. And okay, ये हुए ये स्टैंडर्ड सवाल. अब जाहिर सी बात है कि हमारा ये एक बॉलीवुड चैनल है, and we obviously have to ask you कि यहाँ से कहाँ पर? I mean, there has been a trajectory and a journey that most of the other pageant winners have had. What is it looking like for you henceforth from here?
Well, I'm so excited to start my journey with Miss
Yeah.
Universe organization, and I'm super excited to go to New York. Along
Yes.
with, I will be talking about all the important issues जो Miss
Yeah.
Universe focus करती है जिस पे, and उनके spokesperson बनकर, and वो
Hmm.
differences जिसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ वो अब मैं लाकर दिखाऊंगी. Is what I'm
लाकर दिखाओगे.
myself
That's
right
great.
now. Along with that, I'm an actor and a model, so
Yes.
let's hope for the
Yes.
best. It's too soon to say anything, so let's see.
But there are aspirations, right? There are aspirations that, I mean, we know that there are two Punjabi films that you have done which are
Right.
slated to release in 2022. So along with that, वो Punjabi cinema का, आपका, that's your journey through Punjabi cinema, but also Bollywood. There must be offers. Come on, Harnath. मतलब line से offers आए होंगे अभी आपके पास. So is there something you're considering and looking forward to?
Well, I am looking forward to movies as an artist
Hmm.
because I'm
Hmm.
a person. I have this vision of following my heart, following my passion, and inspiring people at the same time. By
Yes.
choosing strong characters, breaking stereotypes of what women are and they can be, like Priyanka Chopra has done, and Gal Gadot, and a lot of
Yes.
women around the world have done. So now I
Yeah.
want to be part of them and to influence people. क्योंकि आज की दुनिया में everybody gets so intimidated by movies, they get so intimidated
Hmm.
by web series, anything, characters that we play. So through that, I would like to break stigmas and inspire people. So let's see how it goes.
Fingers crossed. And I'm sure you're going to do really well, and you're going to do all of us very proud. But that brings me to my next actually statement that recently there's been a video that's been going viral of Priyanka Chopra in an interview in the US, जहाँ पर आपका जिक्र हुआ था, and she was told that you have looked up to her and she was extremely flattered. अब ऐसा कोई character है या प्रियंका चोपड़ा का या any of the other actresses or actors. I mean, at this point in time, why not, right? Why not? You could pick an actor's character or an actress's character. Is there some character that you can see yourself playing or that you could have seen yourself playing कि मैं शायद ये कर सकती थी?
Well, talking about Priyanka Chopra, I
Hmm.
think Marathon is one of the strongest movies that I have watched. It has influenced me a lot. The character that she has played of Maricom very well, and you know that a woman like Maricom herself and a woman like Priyanka Chopra, they both are so inspiring, and I think that was the best combination to showcase what women are and they can be. And
Yes.
that's very touchy and that's a very beautiful movie with a great message. So that is what I really like about
So
such movies, like very original, very organic, and very relatable. So people get inspired, like I was.
right. Is there a particular kind of genre of film that you would like to make your debut with? Do you have any thoughts on that, up tak?
I think it should be plethora of different emotions. Why not? Like
Okay,
we
interesting.
versatile. Like it could be romance, it could be comedy, it could be action, and it could be something with not to forget to mention about कि moral जरूर होना चाहिए हर चीज में, कुछ message जरूर होना चाहिए. So that comes
Right.
obvious whenever I'm working on message through my project. So
Right. Right.
that is what
So you're
I
very
love, and I
mindful of the kind of work,
Mhm.
you're very mindful of the kind of work that you want to do from here on. I mean, of course, it's been very clearly highlighted in your journey so far, and you'd like to take that further through art, through the kind of performances and the characters that you choose and you pick. Is there a particular filmmaker who you admire and you maybe, are keen on working with, someone anyone in particular?
Well, all of them are great, but I'm looking forward to, and I personally like his work. It's Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali. The quality of work he has and the way he
Yes.
looks into the details and everything is
Yes.
so worth watching. And I mean, I get so influenced by such movies. I feel
Yeah.
like I'm into that time, the zone, the feeling, the vibe is just unexplainable. So since the start, I have watched his every movie. I love his work.
I mean, I have to say, I'm a huge fan of Mr. Bhansali's work. He is incredible, and it is, it's just so heartwarming to recognize another fellow Sanjay Bhansali fan. So yes, and is there a particular actor who you would like to debut with from the entire range of artists that we have in our industry today?
Oh my God, it's so tough for me to
एक
decide.
नाम
But
pick कर लीजिए.
give me the options. It will be so easy.
Okay, I can give you options. Okay, let's say there's Shah Rukh Khan, Akshay Kumar, Ranbir Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, and I don't know who else.
Oh
Let's
God,
let's
that's
say
so that's tough for me.
Rajkumar Rao. Let's spread out the entire prism. Let's give you all people who have such great
Oh
work
my.
in different spaces.
Well, apart from being a Shah Rukh Khan fan, I think
Hmm.
almost everyone would agree on that. I really love Ranveer Singh's work too, and he's
Okay.
great. What the best thing about him is that he is being recognized on the basis of his talent. An artist should be
Yes.
recognized on the basis of his art, and he has marvelously done wonders in every character that he played. Whenever we come out of the theater, we forget that he's Ranveer. We always remember that he's the XYZ character that he was playing. And I think यही खासियत है कि आपको लोग भूल जाए आप असली में कौन हो और आपके वो कैरेक्टर में इतने मतलब डूब जाए कि that's the play, mind play, सब कुछ वो होता है. So what I like about Ranveer's acting.
Okay, great. So we have Shah Rukh Khan and we have Ranveer Singh and we have, of course, Sanjay Bhansali sir. So for filmmakers who are out there who are watching this live chat and would like to send in a script to Harnaz, just keep these three things in mind. All right, हमारे पास बहुत सारे सवाल आ गए हैं. We have a lot of questions from your fans and people who have been dying to talk to you. So I'm just going to pull out a few of these questions and see whether whether you have a take on it or whether you have some sort of response to them. Um, okay, so a question that comes in is which countries are you going to visit in the next couple of months?
Oh wow, that's a good question. The thing is, I myself don't know what's happening. This is the very start, and I'm super excited to start my journey with the Miss Universe organization. And they're still scheduling that. So wherever I'm going, don't
Okay.
worry, I'll have all of you there.
Yes, she will definitely keep all of us updated. Um, okay, now there's another very good question which I feel like you might have fun answering. When you found out that you will be representing India at the Miss Universe pageant, did you think at that point in time that you would win? Did you go in with any expectations?
I actually proudly said this that Harnas is going to make your country proud because my name itself suggests God's pride.
Yes,
And
yes,
Harnas देश का नाज बन के जरूर आएगी. But not to forget to mention that it's easy to say but difficult to do. You know, beauty pageants takes a lot of dedication, determination.
yes,
It's not looking beautiful. It's about having a great personality, a great aura, and it's for me. It's always about behavior. You know, the way you perceive things, difficult circumstances, how you deal with people, and what if this happens? How will you deal with such things?
yeah.
And always smiling and enjoying. That's the key to success for me. I make sure that I keep
Okay.
smiling.